Welcome to my channel Ganit Matrix, and today we are going to discuss some more problems on Euler's theorem, and this is Euler's theorem practice problems part 2. So here, if u equal to sin inverse of x square plus y square by x plus y, find the value of x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y. So this contains only first order partial derivatives. So we'll apply Euler's theorem for first order partial derivatives. But solving this, so here this is the solution, but this is the elaborated solution, but I will tell you the shortcut way which is beneficiary for you. Since u equal to sin inverse of x square plus y square by x plus y, so this is a composite function. Since u itself is not homogeneous, but if we convert to the auxiliary function, that means sin u equal to x square plus y square by x plus y. Take it as f of xy. Take it as f of xy. So sin u equal to f of u, right? Sin u equal to f of u, that equal to x square plus y square by x plus y. So what is the theorem that we are applying in this case? If sin u equal to f of u, x square plus y square by x plus y, and first we have to determine the degree of this function f of xy, right? Since this is the rational function, right? So numerator degree 2, denominator degree 1, therefore degree of f by g is degree of f minus degree of g, that is numerator degree 2 minus denominator degree 1, therefore this function is homogeneous function of degree 1, right? So n equal to 1, keep in mind, so n equal to 1, right? Since therefore by Euler's theorem of first order partial derivatives, right, since this is composite function, right, therefore x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y equal to n times f of u by f dash of u. N is 1, already we know. F of u means sin u, okay, f of u sin u divided by f dash of u. F dash of u means derivative of f of u, derivative of sin u cos u. So that is f of u by f dash of u is sin u by cos u, which is tan u, which is tan u. So similarly here, if sin u equal to x square plus y square by x plus y, then show that x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y equal to 3 tan u. Same thing here. First we'll determine the degree of this function f of xy. Since the numerator degree is 4, right, 2 into 2, and the denominator degree is 1. So therefore degree of f by j is degree of f minus degree of g, 4 minus 1, which is 3. So by Euler's theorem for first order partial derivative, x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y equal to n means 3, f of u by f dash of u, same f of u is sin u divided by f dash of u means derivative of sin u cos u, sin u by cos u tan u, n f of u by f dash of u means 3 sin u by cos u, which is 3 tan u, 3 tan u. And here we will discuss another example on Euler's theorem for second order partial derivatives. But remember here also same, since u itself is not homogeneous, so this is non-linear term, cosecant inverse. In that case we will use that formula, the second order partial derivative formula, x square dou square u by dou x square plus 2xy dou square u by dou x into dou y plus y square dou square u by dou y square equal to g of u into g dash of u minus 1. What is g of u? N times f of u by f dash of u. n is degree of the homogeneous function f of xy, right? So if you take this, since f of u is cosecant u, right, applying cosecant on both sides, so f of u equal to cosecant u, which is root x plus root y by cube root x plus cube root y whole power half. Okay, so how to determine the degree? So this is so this is whole power half, right? Whole power half. So numerator degree in the rational function is 1 by 2, denominator degree 1 by 3. Therefore subtract degree of numerator minus degree of denominator, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, 1 by 6, whole power half, 1 by 6 whole power half, which is 1 by 12. So therefore this f of u is homogeneous function of degree 1 by 12. So by Euler's theorem for second order partial derivatives in these cases, this one, g of u into g dash of u minus 1. Says what is g of u? N times f of u by f dash of u. So n is degree 1 by 12 into f of u, already we know cosecant u, divided by f dash of u. What is derivative of f dash of f of u? Derivative of cosecant u minus cosecant u cot u. Cosecant u cancel, right? 1 by cot u, which is tan u. Minus sign is there, so minus 1 by 2 tan u. So our g of u is minus 1 by 12 tan u. Now we want the second expression, g dash of u minus 1. G dash of u minus 1. So for that, so first we'll find out the derivative. Derivative of g of u is minus 1 by 12. Derivative of tan u secant square u, and write since secant square u minus tan square u equal to 1, that is then identity. Therefore secant square u equal to 1 plus tan square u. So our LHS becomes minus 1 by 12 tan u into g dash of u minus 1. Minus 1 by 12 into 1 plus tan square u minus 1. So minus 1 by 12 tan u. Now take the LCM. Minus 1 minus tan square u minus 12 by 12. So minus 1 by 12 tan u into, so minus 12 minus 1 minus 13 minus tan square u by 12. So which is simplifying this, tan u by 144 into 13 by tan square u. Similar, so how can we write finally this? Tan u by 12 into 13 by 12 plus tan square u by 12, which is our final result. Thank you.